MG200J1ZS50 by USComponent.com. The MG200J1ZS50 by Toshiba is a high-performance IGBT module designed for various industrial applications, including inverters and motor drives. This module offers a collector current rating of 200A and a voltage rating of 600V, ensuring efficient and reliable power management. Featuring advanced IGBT technology, it provides low saturation voltage and high-speed switching, which enhance overall system performance and energy efficiency. Toshiba's commitment to quality ensures the MG200J1ZS50 delivers excellent thermal management and robustness, making it suitable for use in harsh environments. Its compact design and proven reliability make it a preferred choice for demanding power electronic systems. Ready to buy MG200J1ZS50? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.